Hello everyone, this is today's recipe, so let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty tomato gravy stew with fried tilapia. So let me show you how it looks like. And this is the stew. This is a very tasty stew. And what would you eat it with? I'll go with boiled yam, or even boiled plantain, or rice. So if you want to know how to make this tasty stew, please keep on watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, and thank you for watching. So I have got here 4 medium-sized tilapias cut into 3 pieces each. I've chopped here 2 medium-sized onions, and I'm going to use 2 tubes of tomato puree or tomato paste. I've also got here 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. I've got 2 onions here, 3 garlic cloves, and 4 Scotch bonnet peppers. And I've got here a can of plum tomato. You can also use the fresh ones if you like. I have 2.5 tablespoons of ground prawns, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish flavor stock, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I also have 1 teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme, vegetable oil, and now let's spice our fresh fish. So I'm first going to add some salt. So I'm going to add about a good tablespoon of salt to it. And then someone wanted to know the type of fish stock I use, and this is the one I use. It is called jumbo. I'm also going to add a good tablespoon of fish flavor stock. Then I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning. You can also use everyday seasoning if you haven't got this one. I'm going to add just about 1 tablespoon of it. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to mix everything together, making sure the spices are well incorporated in the fish. And in the meantime, get a pan and pour in some vegetable oil, and then add in some flour. Why am I doing that? It's because if you do that, your fish isn't going to stick to the pan, and it's going to have a very nice golden color. So please do that. When the oil is hot, you can then deep fry your tilapia. And by the way, if you want to use red snapper fish, it is also very good for this recipe. And now my fish is ready, and as you can see, it has a very nice golden color. And that's why I said you should use that flour method, because your fish will come out perfect and it won't stick to the pan. So now I'm going to take it out of the oil, and I'm going to keep it aside. Please watch my video on how to fry fish on my channel. Next, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil into another pan, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions and wait until it becomes soft. Then I'm going to add my 2 tubes of tomato puree. I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to leave it to cook for about 10 minutes on a lower heat, because you know it is tomato and it has to be very well cooked if you don't want to have that bitter tomato taste. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme to it, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hot curry powder. Then I'm going to give it a good stir and leave it on for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to blend my plum tomato with my onion, ginger, and garlic. And then I'm going to add it to my tomato, give it a good stir, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. And in the meantime, this is how my tilapia looks like. Next, I'm going to add my spices, including my ground prawn. If you don't have ground prawns, you can also use ground crayfish. Then I'm going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to leave it for about 7 to 10 minutes on a medium to low heat to cook. Next, I'm going to add my fried tilapia pieces or any other fish you chose, and then I'm going to give it a stir, but a gently stir, because you know it is fish stew and we don't want to damage our fish. And this is it. It is ready, and I'm going to serve it in another pan. So this is how it looks like. I hope you like what you are seeing. And this is the final result. So thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a little cold, that's why my voice is a bit off, but I'm gonna be fine. Thank you for everything. Don't forget to share my video, to like, to give me a comment, and I'm also happy to read any suggestions you have. I'll see you next time. Take care everyone, and God bless you. Bye bye.